channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. All right, so today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Climb the Ladder. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so for this activity, you'll just need a basketball hoop if you have it. If not, you can use a laundry basket of some sort if you're at home. And this is what you're gonna do. We have 4 cones set up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Activity, all you're simply gonna do is shoot the basketball different levels. So what I need to do first is I'm gonna have to shoot at the first cone here, make it in the... Once I make it, I get to advance to the next cone. Take it from there as well. And I'm going to continue to climb the ladder. 1 minute to complete all 4 steps of the ladder before my timer goes off. So make sure you stay tuned and I'll give this a try in just a moment. 2, 1, and go. I'm going to go back. Remember, you have to make it in order to advance. That's 2. And at the buzzer, Mr. Garcia was able to complete climbing the ladder in the 1 minute challenge. So make sure you guys drop a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are about this activity. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game, Climb the Ladder. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, what ways you could have modified it, what other skills you guys can apply to it. Again, drop a comment down below. And also, please don't forget to use our hashtag #ThePespot so I can see those modifications in action. Hope you're all doing well, staying safe. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.